Arthur continues his work with fourth grade teacher Blanche Young, whose students spent 3 sessions with the pizza problem. 2 months later, Blanche is introducing a new but mathematically related problem: towers.
We're going to be giving out some connect snap cubes. And first we need to understand the terminology. This is a tower. Even though it's made with 1 unit, it's called a tower.
Blanche asks her students to make as many different towers as they can by selecting from blocks of 2 colors.
Tower, okay? Your group is going to be assigned to make as many 4 tall towers as you can, but when you're done, you have to agree that you have gotten as many different arrangements as you can without exceeding the height of 4 connect cubes. Is that clear?
Red, green. Here. Like that, that's what I'm doing. Red, green, and then green, red.
I did green, red, green. I need red.
Green.
2 green. And I need 1 more red.
The class is a multi-ability group class. One of the positives is that there's less stress on a particular skill. Students who may not be able to recall their addition multiplication facts are able to figure out a problem relatively easier than if they were confronted with paper and pencil and you had to solve these problems. So if they have the opportunity to work with students of various abilities, they draw from each other. They kind of complement each other. And you could easily walk into a classroom and not be able to figure out which students are crackerjack math students and which students aren't. You know, they kind of level the playing field, I guess is a way to put it.
Do the ones that are green.
What is it that we're trying to change about the way the children, they may not even see this as math. You and I see it as math.
Getting the students to take ownership of a problem. You can see here that they all own this problem. They're engaged in it very deeply, and they're thinking deeply about the problem. Getting them to see that they can exchange ideas among themselves and to listen carefully to each other. And we see some of that taking place.
I do need that. I need that assistance with them taking ownership to a problem-solving type math problem, because they're quick to say, I don't know what to do. I don't understand that, you know. And to make it meaningful, to bring it down to their level so that they can own the problem, get engaged in the problem, and work through the problem is crucial to right now what's needed.